I spend a lot of time thinking about how we can remove everything that slows down the success of a transformation project. Customers constantly tell us that their teams waste hours of valuable time on low-value project management tasks, like documenting decisions, updating timesheets, writing reports, and other work that prevents them from delivering their business transformation faster and successfully. Let's explore what we worked on in the last 3 months to empower teams to move away from tedious, manual project management so that you can spend more time delivering successful results. This quarter was about laying the groundwork to mitigate 3 points of friction: manual project governance, manual project management, and slow communication, while building the toolbox that will make Tato even more capable over time. We shipped 2 new features to bring Tato to where you already work: Tato in Teams and Tato connected to email. Tato meets you where you work to speed up your communications and make sure nothing gets lost in the chaos. Forward key emails and threads to Tato to add them to your knowledge base, making them searchable and ensuring that context influences the intelligence of your project moving forward. So any question you ask, any report you run, is based on the latest source of truth. Last quarter, we built skills to help you package all of your project knowledge and answer your questions. This quarter, you can start to package your workflows too. We know the most draining part of program management is all of the mindless, tedious work of moving information between conversations and tools, which is why we built automations. Automations can pair with the email and Teams integrations to create powerful workflows that run for you while you focus on what really matters. You can now have outputs delivered to you where you need them most. Set up an automation to deliver a status report to your stakeholders via email, or have Tato write your daily Scrum agenda based on your project's latest information and send it directly to your meeting chat in Teams 15 minutes before the start of the call. If during that call you need further clarification, just ask Tato right there in the call to get the latest, most accurate information. Every large program depends on a well-managed RAID log. This is the representation of the projects, their interdependencies, and everything that's putting your transformation at risk. What makes a RAID log so important and yet so hard to manage is that it constantly evolves throughout the project, across thousands of interactions. Keeping track in real time is hard, but tracing back the history of a RAID item over a multi-year project is practically impossible. The new RAID log makes it easy to see which items were discussed in an interaction, what changed, and to go back into the history of that risk, action item, or decision over time, while giving you the same powerful agentic tools that let you search through your entire program in natural language and make live updates in just a prompt. We're getting closer to our ultimate vision for Tato: a colleague who attends every meeting, takes perfect notes, and is always available to answer questions. A colleague who can do your work on your behalf while you focus on the most important aspects of your job. Your transformation has a business goal to achieve, and every hour you spend on manual governance, manual project management, and chasing information slows you down. We're here to give you those hours back.